Hello everyone, today I will show you how to center an image vertically and horizontally in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will center this image vertically and horizontally on this page. Click on this home option, this menu bar, and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this image and select, and here you will find this alignment option. Click here. And now here you will find this vertically align and see this, and this one horizontally align. As this image now perfectly centered on these pages. Also I'll center this one. Click on this image similar way and do it again, horizontally center, and this one vertically. Yeah, this is. In this way you can center on your images vertically and horizontally, or also you can move it anywhere. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.